In this video, I'm going to show you, in my opinion, the best filters for Axiom Pro Trade, as well as the referral code, in case you are new to the platform and you want to sign up, because you'll need one to create an account. So, in case you are new and you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, and if you use that link to sign up, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom, so make sure you check that out. Now, the code you should write in when it asks you to is as follows. So it's going to be IHT. So if it asks you for a code, just type that in and you're good to go. So from here, once you have a Axiom Pro Trade account, what you want to do to set the filters is you want to go to polls over here, and you can click on either of these. So you can click on new pairs, final stretch, or migrated. Now we're going to click on new pairs over here, and I'm going to show you a few filters I think are very good. However, I am no financial advisor, so you can use this if you want to, but of course they're just kind of my opinion. So if you don't want it, that's cool. If you want to adapt them, change them, that's good. Keep in mind that even though you may be using filters, these or any others, 99% of the coins will still be scams, so be very careful when you are actually trading those meme coins, because you can't filter out all the scams. Yes, you'll be able to filter out a few, but 99% of the coins that will still show up, regardless you having the filters, will still be scams, so be very cautious, as I said. Now, what I like to do over here, I like to go first under new pairs. I usually only do pump under protocols, so that's what I usually select, and then sometimes I would go into the keywords and type in something or exclude different keywords like vault or something like that if I want to, but usually I just leave it like this. Now, under audit down here, there's two important things I usually use. I don't think these do anything if you use them under new pairs, and I don't think the age over here is important. What I do like is that the maximum dev holding percentage is 10%, okay? That's what I think is important. And down here, under bundle percentage, you can do 20, or sometimes I do 25. Those are basically the settings I use. Under metrics, I do no change, and under socials, I don't do anything either. Then inside final stretch, yet again, I only use pump. You can use moonshot if you want to, of course it's up to you, and then the keywords are up to you as well. But over here, I mainly focus on the audits, where I do, again, the dev holding percentage, a maximum of 10% over here. And then you have the bundle percentage, I do a maximum of 20% as well. And then the holders, I put minimum of 40 holders. Sometimes I do 50, sometimes even 60, but that's just what I generally use and I think works well for me, okay? As I said, for you it may be different. Now under migrated, again, I leave pump on and moonshot off, and then the keywords, usually I don't do anything, you can if you wanna. And then under audit, what's important over here, in my opinion, is the age. So I usually do maximum age of 60 minutes, because this is in minutes, as you can see, but you can also do like 50, 40, maybe 45, whatever you want. And then the dev holding percentage, I like to put it at maximum of 5%, but of course, that's up to you as well. And then we have the bundle percentage, which I like to do max 15, and then holders a minimum of 75. Sometimes, just to be more safe, I do 100, maybe even 120, and this will filter out a lot of different coins that otherwise would show up, of course, at top. So those are basically my filters. If you want to use them, I don't care, you can if you wanna, and you want to click apply all after that in case you are following along. And then you can just start trading in here. So yet again, as I said, I am no advisor. I just showed you what I like to do when I'm trading, and if you want to use it, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine as well. But if you want to sign up for this platform, there's a link down below. As I said, you can check it out and save 10% on your trading fees. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.